news. Two questions. Has the Azimio team met President William Ruto? Because he has hinted on that. And number two, have you come up with the membership of the 5 members of the 10-member team that is supposed to lead the discussions? And lastly, what happens to the bipartisan team of the 14 members now that we have another team in place?
Yes, it's apparent from our statement that indeed there was a meeting chaired by His Excellency Honorable Obasanjo. And Baba accepted to appear in that meeting because of his respect for His Excellency Honorable Obasanjo. And as we have pointed out very clearly in our statement, that meeting did not conclude on any issues. It was a meeting to agree on when to hold talks and how to hold the talks. So there were no issues canvassed there and agreed. So it is totally unacceptable and misleading to the public for Kenya Kwanza to start releasing its own statements purporting to be Azimio la Umoja issues. We have made it clear what our issues are here, and once a discussion is made within Azimio and our team is picked, then those are the issues that will be tabled for discussion in that committee. We are still discussing, and we will soon announce the names of those members. Well, remember we already announced that we had disbanded that team, not because we were not ready for the talks, but because there was no good faith from the other side. So we've moved to another level. These things are always developing and evolving as the situation also evolves.
All right. I'm Sydney Chazima from NTV. I've looked at the list from Kenya Kwanza,